Hi guys, today I want to show the installation of the headlight protector. I've already installed a headlight protector here. This is the yellow tent one. So I would like to show you how it's fixed, right? So you see on the top there are three screws which hold it together. This one holds on the top where you have the KTM logo. This is just a flap which you can put a screwdriver and just pull it up. It will come off. So it sits here. Once that is removed, below that there's a screw, you can fit it there, and these two screws hold the product together firmly, right? And then on the bottom you have another clamp which basically holds the product in place without giving any major shake or anything. So that is the advantage of that, right? And this clamp goes below here where you have the number plate clamp. So to fix it, you'll basically need to remove the remover clamp. I will show the demo shortly. And while you do this, you'll need certain components, certain tools. What you need is a 4 Allen key. 5 Allen key might be needed, but 4 Allen key is what you need for the major side bolts. You need a start screw, which is also a part of the toolkit of the bike. So, and you need a 10 size spanner. So this is the component which we give on the top, which holds the clamp together. It goes this way, and this is the bottom which goes below the number plate, right? So below the headlight and above the number plate. And for that we are given bolts which are 10 size. So that's pretty much it. Let me show the installation now. So I'm showing from the beginning now. This is just how the number plate clamp is already installed. There will be a KTM fiber here, right? You just need to put a screwdriver on the bottom and just lift it up, like just put it downwards and lift it up. It will come off. It's just press against this hole here, right? It's a small screw, so it will be just pressed. You can remove it, and then you can go ahead and start removing the Allen keys on the bottom. You need to use 4 sides Allen keys, and you'll have total 4 bolts. 1, 2, and the other side also will have 2. So one more recommendation is any plastic material on the bike, always ensure that you use a soap water kind of liquid. What generally I do is I use this dishwash soap or a kind of shampoo which basically helps in wiping out all the dust and such things. Do not use directly dry items on the plastic, because that will end up in scratching, adding up scratches, right? So put water and then you can wipe it in hand first, like rub the hand against that, and you have any mosquitoes or something, just rub it off so that the inside remains same. Follow this for all plastic materials and even metal if possible, because that will help avoiding scratches, right? This and microfiber, so that it avoids any kind of scratches. This like this, which are available by those are always helpful. So you can go ahead and use the 4 Allen key and try to remove all the 4 bolts. You have one on either side, and remember the one there will be a lengthier one on the side, so keep that aside, which will be needed later. I'm removing the last bolt now. That's about it. And once you remove that, this complete bottom piece will come off. This is how the piece looks, right? And top of this we will put the product we provide. This is a clamp which sits on the top here. Along with this, we would have provided you longer bolts, which will be a little bit extra long than the original one which comes with the bike. These go on the bottom and get fixed there, right? Let me show that here. So you can put the bolt this way on the bottom and then try to fix it here. So while you're fitting the bottom bolt here, while you're trying to tighten this bottom bolt here, I would recommend that you loosen this top bolt which is on the side of the bike, because this plastic will be generally very firm, right? And there are chances it will break, and it's already breaking even while riding. So this also uses a 4-1. So little bit loosen it so that you get the moment, right? You get this easy movement of the plastic, and then you can go ahead and fix the bottom, right? So then you can use this the Allen key which they have provided, and now that this is easy going, so you have space to work with it, right? So that's the reason we asked to loosen this on the top, so that plastic does not break in any way. And then you can tighten this completely first, and then you can tighten that at a later stage. You have to do the same thing on the other side, right? So once you have fixed the bottom piece here that goes above the number plate, what you can do is you can fix the top here. So I would have already given this already fixed clamp. What you can do is just place it here after removing the flap and screw it in. Tighten it to a semi half, right, and hold it. And meanwhile, on the bottom I would have also provided a piece like this, which basically presses here. So if you see here, this goes this way, and then you just need to hold it here and put another screw here, and then just tighten it, and ensure that the this line is in center, right? This nose is in center, and once that's in place, you can also tighten the above screw. Because this is any plastic items, do not tighten it too much. Give a 1 thread gap and try to tighten the acrylic. Currently I'm using screws, but I'll probably come up with Allen keys here, so that all the future parts will be all Allen keys. I'm still working on that. Should be done very shortly, right? So that's it. Once that's done, your product is in firm state. You need any adjustment, try to put it here, tighten the product, and that's it. You're good to go. It's done, and yeah, that's about it.